Absolutely buzzing. Not a great crowd, but they are still loud, or they try to be loud. We're seeing the four officials coming out, and we're seeing Captain to do in order to they look solid. Cardoza, when she came on, she looked good. So I think this is a great change. But the middle of the park for Jamaica, we have to try to keep the possession. Jamaica have to try to keep the possession more. Try to get Khadija Shah into more open areas where they can create opportunities and hit South Africa, especially not relying on set pieces and in terms of creating from the wide areas, but try to create from the middle. So I think that's the area that Jamaica needs to work on mostly. All right. The player that the South Africans will look forward to help to cut open the Jamaicans. They didn't create much in the first encounter on Friday. Talk to me about, is it a player that you're looking at on Friday tactically? I think what the coach did Friday tactically in terms of exploiting, as I said, the right side of the South Africans, and I think the coach will try to go for that today again in C. So Khadija Shah is down, and no one was close to her, so, and it could be concerning. She had the ball initially, played it back, and then didn't see that she went down, but obviously the game has been paused to treat Khadija Shah. Yeah, so that's a sight no Jamaicans would want to see tonight in terms of Khadija Shah going down, nobody being close to her. So it seems to numbers. No way through there. Crowd is quiet now, but this is an opportunity on the left-hand side. Inside the 18-yard box, Marshall very well do by the Jamaica. Oh, beautiful turn it was. Ball across, shot towards goal, and it's 1-0. South Africans, beautiful ball. Retention there by the South Africans. Eventually, as defense splitting pass down the left-hand side, ball pulled back. Top up the penalty spot. Slot home to make it. She plays it wide, now it comes back to Swaby inside the center circle. Long ball downfield. Taken nicely. Still the Jamaicans. Ball saved through, wonderful pass it was. Wonderful goalkeeping though. That was an excellent defense splitting pass. But the goalkeeper came out and full green with yellow socks. So free kick to the South Africans. The captain is down. Lots of pain. She has played well on the right hand side of the defense. And so the game has paused, and referee
He's trying to get them to get her off the park so the game can be resumed. He's asking them to get her off, to treat her on the sidelines.
From Bonisha creating an opportunity out of nothing.
So corner for Jamaica. We have played 57 minutes of football here at the Montego Bay Sports Complex. Swaby coming for a short corner, is it? And Jamaicans looking to create something, and the corner has been taken short. Oh, but that whips to goal. Defender was always going to clear that one. Ball whipped back inside it in the box. Shaw! Brilliant save! Should be a goal, must be a goal, yes it is! And the equalizer has come. Is in. So it's Samson basically playing everything short in the first half from the back. And here's Brown once again, trying to turn. Two defenders are running on now to Spence. Ball clipped downfield inside the channel for Shaw. Trying to come back on her left foot, still showing possession. Inside the 18-yard box on the right. Oh, beautiful skill by Bunny Shaw. Ball's across and a towards goal! 2-1! That was brilliant stuff from Shaw to pick out Spence, Jude Spence, to head home for the Jamaicans. But that was a beautiful build-up, wonderful skill by Khadijah Shaw to clip it across to Jude Spence, who made no mistake. What a skill from Shaw. Bullet header, goalkeeper. And they have turned it around in the second half. They lead by 2-1.
Put it over for her teammate, so you can see it. So
here they come once again. Ball inside the 18-yard box. Here's Shaw. Still Shaw. Brilliant shot, but beautiful save. That was a magnificent save. Now, plays it back to Plummer. Plummer goes long. Loose touch, opportunity to make it 3. Yes, it is. That was poor from the South African defense. And that was a gift. And the Christmas is not here yet, and she has gotten a gift here at the Montego Bay Sports Complex. And she accepted the got onto it, CC. It was a gift. And the game is probably over now by the shout. When you look at this party, we're going to make it be an official friendly, so no more than. I don't think they could just not know. So yes, that's the rule. That's what the rule says as FIFA. Opportunity this. And it has gone in. Oh, that was a poor error. Poor mistake from the goalkeeper. Ball given away, shot from distance. Ball shot eventually came straight to her, and she wasn't able to hold on to it. Slipped from her grasp, and it's now 3-2. So that's the end of the contest. The Jamaicans are victors once again. They have won by 3-2. They won the first game on Friday, 3-0.
not necessarily what the coach would have liked it up to be, but in terms of her ball handling skills, her ability to take on players, you can see it. She's almost, I would say, Martha-esque in taking on players, but she needs to get to that level now where she's developing her decision making. She has been in the team from she was 17 years old, debuting at the 2019 World Cup, and it's been 5 years that she's 22 years old now, so I think she should be at the point now where she's getting to that place. Jamaica, in terms of the last goal that gave away the number 9, I think the back pass to the keeper and the keeper wasn't aware, and unfortunately that goal was given away. But the Jamaicans so far over the two legs acquitted themselves well, and I think they will know what they will need to work on, and they could feel comfortable in these victories.
All right, your thoughts on how the coach dealt with the situation of going in behind, having led right throughout the first game, eventually winning comfortably. He was down in the first half in this game. Your thoughts on how he reacted? Grade him for me.
So I graded the coach's reaction 8 out of 10. I give it the coach an 8 out of 10 in terms of his reaction, because